Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these wall lamps for ring purposes. They come in this really nice hardcraft paper box, which I think that it's great because that way it ensures that they ain't gonna come any damage or anything. Let's say you can see they are hard. They come with a top that I already taken off, which I think that it's great. As I've said, it keeps them protected. They come with everything that you need to do the installation, all the screws and everything. It even has a waterproofing connection, so that way you can make sure that while you place it outside, they ain't gonna get damaged by water or anything, which I think that it's great. Okay, these wall lights can be placed inside, outside, wherever you need it, which I think that it's great. Okay, which I think that it's nice is that it has different color temperatures and it can be steplessly dimmed, which I think that it's nice. It has this modern minimalist design. Okay, the LEDs will shine through the sides, and I think that it looks amazing. It can be placed, as I've said, indoors, outdoors, wherever you need it, horizontally, vertically, however you want. Okay, we get the installation steps of the wall lamp with all the parts we needed and a diagram with the instructions on how to use the remote control, all the buttons and everything, which I think is nice. It seems like a simple installation, so let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it looks. Okay, come on. So the proper installation process of this unit, it's really simple and it doesn't take that much long. You just have to make sure that everything is leveled, center, and where it should be. And something that I think that it's nice is that you can place it upon a solid wood piece like this, or if you're gonna place it upon a junction box, you can place it directly upon the junction box. And in the case that the junction box is 4 inches, it will be needed to be installed and used together with a cover that are sold separately, but I think that it's really simple to use it. Okay, as I've said, it's really simple. If you need to use the waterproofing connection, you can use it, which I think that it's a nice touch that it also gets included. And as you can see, they are already installed and I think they look amazing. It's really easy to control them with the remote control. You can obviously change the temperature and dim it, but I think that I'm gonna wait until it gets darker to show you. Okay guys, now that it's nighttime, we can turn them on. We can quickly change the temperature between a warm temperature or a cold one with these two buttons. We can also change the brightness quickly with this button. Okay, which I think that is nice. We can also change all the temperatures really quickly, and I think that it's good because you can also stepwise change the temperature. Okay, make it warmer, brighter, depending of what you need. You can also separately brighten them or dimming them, as I've said, in any case that you need them. And I think that they look amazing. As you could see, they were really easy to install, and I think that it's great that you can change quickly of the ambient light that you wanna give. If you wanna have them like this, you can leave that then, dim it or anything. Overall, I think they are really nice because they look amazing. They are really modern and they are perfect to place outdoors. As you can see, this light has some powerful LEDs that does not flicker or glare in any occasion, which I think that it's great. And they are IP65 waterproof grade. They are anti-rust and they are long lasting, meaning that it's perfect to place them exteriors and they are gonna be really well kept over time. So overall, I think they are great and I will really recommend them. See you guys.